We have always wanted to become practice owners. Really one of the things that attracted me to ezyVet is that it can go from a solo, even mobile practitioner to a multi-specialty hospital and everything in between. And so I thought, if there's a system that can kind of expand and grow with you or adapt with your practice and however you change, I thought that's the way to go.
One of the things that we really want to focus on here at Bayview is to allow for our employees to have a good work-life balance. And having ezyVet and how efficient that is has been able to streamline our process here. We get into this field as a veterinarian to be an advocate for the pet, and I feel strongly that IDEXX and ezyVet, with that seamless integration, has really allowed us to more effectively do what we are trying to do, be an advocate for the animal and try to help them as best we can.
Outside of just the reliability of IDEXX as a whole with their diagnostics and lab work and then also in imaging, they've got good customer service. Laura has been great to work with since the very beginning. She's been definitely a good supporting role in helping us with anything IDEXX and ezyVet related. She's great at also introducing us to new diagnostics or new workflows that we may be interested in.
Dr. Marco and Dr. Allen are such fun people to work with. They want to do really good medicine. The practice in general doesn't have that chaotic energy. They've set themselves up so that they can handle their workload, and they do it with a lot of IDEXX products.
My personal favorite IDEXX and ezyVet integration is the radiographs part with PACS. There was a time where taking x-rays was a big ordeal, but now I'm finding more often than not in that same appointment slot, get the x-rays done, and I'm able to quickly pull the x-rays up onto the ezyVet screen for the pet parent and go over those findings with them. It's a really smooth, seamless process that has become very quick.
Other integration with our in-house lab machines also run seamlessly. We put in the diagnostic request right through ezyVet, and it sends the request right to our in-house lab machines. Also, not missing charges is great because as soon as you put in a diagnostic, that charge for that invoice goes right in automatically. So it's very helpful in a busy practice.
We're very grateful for the partnership that we have established with IDEXX and ezyVet. They have allowed us to practice medicine at an advanced and accelerated way to allow us to take care of pets and practice really the gold standard of medicine.